big part of my faith walk. But a lot of times when we talk about, I'm out of breath. But a lot of times when we talk about praise and worship, we like as a church and as people, we think of it and talk about it as a noun. It's a time, it's a place, it's a band, it's a great song, but by no means does God want it to be that way. He wants it to be an action, but more importantly, He wants it to be an interaction. He wants it to be standing before God and just giving Him all, completely exposed to everything you are, and just give Him your all. And I think Hillsong United kind of hit it on the head when he said, it's in the stand, we're actually going to play it later. It says, I'll stand with arms high and heart abandoned, in awe of the one who gave it all. And I'll stand with my soul, Lord, to you surrender. All I am is yours. And Mike Crawford's going to come up and talk a little bit more about what we mean by the 365 movement. But I think that if we just keep that in our minds, 365 days a year, that we would please God in every way. So he's going to come up here right now.